is Ask Anastasia, and I am showing you this house today. I don't know if you remember, but you see this sign, Choose Life. I manage this house, and this is a new potential property, and we're gonna take you inside. But you can see that it's 2 apartment buildings next to the house, so this is usually not a good sign, I would say. But this unit looked like it was 2 units, but we never go as 2 units. We usually turn houses into single family residences because we decided that it's better to have 1 tenant than deal with 2-3 tenants at the same time. Even though sometimes money-wise it's make a difference. If you have 2 units, it's bringing more income, but then you're dealing with complaints, and you cannot find who is right, who is wrong. You are getting involved in tenant disputes. So, but this house is huge. Good thing is it has newer windows. My god, how many? It's 5 times 3, like 15 windows. Okay, and let's go inside. And the first thing that you see when you walk into the house, it's lead paint. And they actually make a note on the listing that city is involved in it. We usually recommend to remove all the lead paint because it can cause serious health issues. But other than this, it's pretty decent house. And let me show you all the floors. So you know right now how we count room, right? This is 1 living room, 1 bedroom. And here you're gonna need to put a kitchen, right? Nothing here, just stove. And they start working on the house, probably they don't want to deal with the city, because if you have a lead paint, you cannot just do it yourself. You need to hire a contractor who is specializing in removing this. And then you need to call city, and they're gonna come and inspect. And they're gonna call health department again, make sure that you remove, or this company removed everything. So this is 2nd floor, and we have bathroom here, which is pretty decent. And we have 1 more room here. And so you guys understand, it's December 21st, it's really cold and I'm doing this video, so if you're gonna click this thumbs up, I would appreciate, so I'm not freezing here for nothing. This is 2 more rooms. Ceiling is good. All this you need to take care of. We are talking about some hidden leaks. You see what it is? You need to remove all this and put the new drywall. You see, they just patch it. And another concern, you need to pay attention to this thing. I don't see any heating here. You see, it was probably this old, I don't know how you even call them, like heater that heat house from water, which is removed, and you don't see any dog anywhere. So I'm not sure how you would deal with this one. And then we are going to the 3rd floor. So it's 3 bedroom on a 2nd floor, and we have a 3rd floor. And they were using it as separate units. So it has another bathroom here. Oh, this is the thing that they used to heat the house. I don't know how they work. We used to have this back in Ukraine, but I never used them here. So this is one more bathroom, and this is huge walk-in closet. It's really big. You see? You can actually walk inside it. I bet people would love this. It cannot be counted as a bedroom because it doesn't have windows. Okay? And we have 2 more rooms here. And here we are having an issue. You remember on the 2nd floor I was telling you that it's probably a problem with the roof, and they just painted and leave it, and you see it's already peeling. So definitely you need a roofer. Yep. This is problem with the gutters. Okay. See how old it is? And probably there is no gutters at all, so you need to do something. Not sure what, but you need to address this issue. Other than this, I believe people who are selling it just don't want to deal with the city. Okay? Oh, yeah. And this house is for sale for 60 G's. Just 60. And we count 2 bedrooms on a third floor, 3 bedrooms on a second, and at least 1 bedroom on the first. So we're talking about 6-bedroom house, which can be rented probably for 1,500, 16 maybe. And let's go to the, ooh, there is no windows. It's really freezing outside. Let's see what basement gonna bring us. But if you know that there is a city order in a house for lead paint, don't think, oh, it's easy, I'm gonna deal with it. It's not easy to deal with. Okay, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see something in the basement, but let me go. Oh my god. Okay. Now this basement feels really solid. Like it's dry, it doesn't have any smell. It's really... I have a good feeling about this house. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find any investors who like to invest here. But, oh, and it's even have toilet here too. Pretty nice. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Let me know if you would buy this house. Again, it's 60,000. That can bring you about $1,500 every month. Do you think it's a good investment? 25% return? 30% return? I think it's great. Okay, thank you. Please like the video, subscribe if you didn't. And thank you for staying with me. Happy holidays.